What are you doing? Just enjoying this beautiful meteor shower.
That one's flying beautifully toward us.
This could be a major find. We need to approach it cautiously and with great care so that...
Brace ya!
Wait for me!
Ha! First,
Think again, Sonic.
Eggman?
That's right. And as the intrepid explorer who first discovered this regal rock, I hereby call dibs.
What? You can't call dibs.
Oh, so now you don't respect dibs. What's next? You gonna allow cutsies, flout the 5-second rule, step on a crack without any regard for your mother's spinal column?
Not cool, Sonic.
Of course I respect dibs, but you can only call dibs if you're touching the thing that you desire to dib.
Oh, well, in that case...
Ugh. What am I doing in Eggman's lair? Ugh! Eggman! Ugh! What the?
What am I doing in Eggman's body?
Dr. Eggman, you're awake.
We had to drag you back home. It was spring break all over again.
I'm not Eggman, I'm Sonic!
He's pretending to be Sonic again.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
Sonic, you rest here.
Yes, Amy dear. I won't move, for I am Sonic. And this is my humble shack. All right, don't freak out. Play it cool. You're Sonic now.
Did you say something?
No, I was just thinking of something funny that red imbecile we both know said.
You mean Knuckles?
Yes, Knuffles. That's the guy. This is delicious. With my genius mind and sonic speed, I'll finally be able to destroy these pesky rodents once and for all. Time for a test drive. Oh. Yeah, this might take some getting used to.
These numbers are off the chart. Fortunately, I have a bigger chart. Now, let's find out your purpley secrets.
I'm telling you, I'm Sonic! Eggman switched brains with me. I mean, I switched bodies with Eggman.
Hang on. Did you switch brains or did you switch bodies?
Both!
Well then, nothing's changed.
Listen, Gear Brain.
Definitely Eggman.
Look, I'm not Eggman. I'll prove it. Oh boy, I can't breathe. What is this awful feeling in my lungs?
Good show, sir.
Real impressive stuff, boss.
Need to find Tails. He'll know what to do.
Now that I've finally gotten the hang of this athletically superior but far less handsome body, I can destroy those do-gooders for good!
Sonic, come on out! I made milkshakes for everyone.
Ooh, milkshakes! Okay, milkshakes first, then destroy arch-enemies.
I really appreciate you guys lending me the Eggmobile. I have no idea how Eggman gets around in this flotation device he calls a body.
Did he just say he appreciates us?
I'm thinking this might not be Eggman after all. Could someone else be in his body? And if so, who?
Oh yeah! Score one for Sonic.
Hey, no need to rub it in, dude.
Of course, Sonic's a good sport. I don't know what came over me, Nuggets. Let's see. Badminton with sticks at 4:30, then a hike with the gang, can't miss that. Another video game sesh with nibbles at 7, then I'll destroy everyone at 7:15. Wait, no. Amy and I are going to see that chick flick at 9. Guess I'll have to destroy them tomorrow. What was that?
Sorry about the rough landing.
My baby!
Guys, it's me, Sonic!
Ha! Nice try, Eggman. Wait, no, that was a terrible try.
But I'm not Eggman, I'm Sonic!
Don't listen to him. I'm Sonic. Look how blue I am. Must be one of his ingenious plans we all admire him for, huh, friends?
Ingenious plans! Good one, Sonic!
Yeah, we're making fun of Eggman because we're secretly jealous of him, right? I mean, the brains, the panache, the mustache. He's the total package.
Listen, Eggman and I switched bodies somehow. He's me and I'm him.
Ow! Eggman threw a pie at me!
Huh? No, I didn't.
Let's send this miscreant packing!
Perhaps it's time we bid our foes adieu.
No time! We gotta get out of here!
No, I'm Sonic. You gotta believe me. With my body at his disposal, Eggman's just too powerful. How can I possibly take on the fastest hedgehog in the world like this?
Ahem.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see the look on his face when he ran off?
He looked ridiculous, especially with that stupid mustache.
All right, Noodles, that's enough.
Whoa, did you guys feel that?
Remember, warning shots only. I don't want anyone hurt. Got it? Well, what are you waiting for?
We're programmed only to obey orders after being threatened.
All right, then. Nobody gets hurt or somebody's gonna get hurt!
Yes, sir!
Aw, come on! Do you have any idea how much those cost? I mean, between the parts and labor... Ah, jeez.
He's gonna be feeling that tomorrow.
Hey, Eggman crushed Sonic!
Get him!
Wow! Did they just switch brains? Sonic is Eggman! Eggman is Sonic!
Wait, what did Tails say?
Oh, nothing. You know Tails, always the jokester.
When Eggman and Sonic touched this meteor, they switched brains!
How come nobody told me?
In order to swap back, they both need to touch the meteor again.
Come on, Eggman. Just touch this and give me my body back.
You can't make me. I'm the fastest evil genius on the planet. Whee! Now I'm here. Now I'm there. Nothing can make me touch your stupid purple rock.
Nothing? Not even a close shave?
You wouldn't dare.
Oh, I would dare. So, Eggman, what's it gonna be? The speed or the stash? So close. I was so close to finally defeating Sonic. What are you two laughing at?
Nothing, boss.